Welcome to our channel, where we share effective natural remedies for your well-being. Today, we will present a powerful recipe to relieve leg pain, varicose veins, and rheumatism. You will need garlic, an onion, ginger, and a bit of nutmeg. These ingredients are known for their potent health benefits, particularly for issues like leg pain, varicose veins, and rheumatism. Do you usually use any habits to relieve leg pain and reduce varicose veins? And have you been seeing good results? If yes, comment below, strengthen our community. And if you enjoy miracle recipe videos like this, for more well-being and longevity, subscribe to our channel. Start by chopping the onion into small pieces, keeping the skin on. The skin contains quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that can boost the potency of this remedy. Once you've diced the onion, move it to a clean jar. Next, you'll want to add 30 grams of ginger. Now, ginger might seem like an odd choice, but it's packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help soothe aching legs and reduce swelling. After the ginger, sprinkle in a teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg doesn't just add a bit of warmth and spice to our mixture. It's also a great source of magnesium, a mineral that's essential for muscle and nerve function. Once the nutmeg is in, fill the rest of the jar with olive oil. Olive oil is a fantastic carrier oil that helps the body absorb the beneficial compounds of the other ingredients. Now, here's the important part. Mix the concoction well. After everything is mixed, place the mixture in a metal jar and leave it in a water bath with the heat on for 30 minutes. Stir the mixture occasionally. Remember to place a thick cloth under the jar so that it does not come into contact with the heat of the pan. This process allows the flavors and beneficial compounds to meld together. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool in the pot for an hour. Once it's cool, screw the lid on the jar tightly. This ensures that no air gets in, which could potentially spoil our remedy. Finally, leave the jar at room temperature for a week to infuse the ingredients. During this time, the onion, ginger, and nutmeg will release their beneficial compounds into the olive oil, creating a potent, natural remedy for varicose veins and arthritis. After a week, strain the mixture with a clean cloth to extract the oil. Use this potent oil to massage your legs daily. Start from the bottom and work your way up, ideally in the morning and at night before bedtime. This will help alleviate leg pain and reduce varicose veins. Wrap your legs with a clean cloth or wear compression stockings if preferred. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Join our community of natural remedy enthusiasts, share your experiences, and help us grow. Thank you for watching. Stay with us. Here you find your way to a better living blueprint.